Hey everyone, David here from the Five and Dime, and I'm going to show you an easy trick to get an inset panel when you're doing a decoupage. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some printer paper, which is 8.5 by 11, and I'm going to set it on the inset panel. And I will score the edge in order to get my perfect pattern. So once I've got that in place, I'm going to take that down and I'm going to tape the pieces together. So that's all I'm doing is just taking some Scotch tape, tape it together. I now have a pattern. So I want this decoupage paper to sit perfectly centered in the inset panel. Now that the pattern is created, all I'm going to do is take my decoupage paper, set it on a cutting board, and I will set my template down in the position where I want it. Now I'm not taping it down or anything because I don't want to ruin the decoupage paper. So I'll set it down, making sure that it is over top of the cutting board. And then I will grab my straight edge and a utility knife. You really want to make sure that you've got a brand new straight edge for this because this is decoupage rice paper. It does have the little rice fibers in it, so it's not like cutting through tissue paper. So you do need to be a little more careful to make sure you have a sharp blade. So I'll go along all of the edges, and again, using the edge of my template as my guide, and that is going to give me a perfect piece cut out for the inset panel. The paper I'm using today is the Autumn Clearing Posh Chalk Deluxe Decoupage paper, and it's an absolutely beautiful paper, and it's going to work beautifully for this inset panel. And now that the piece is almost cut, now that the piece is cut, you can see that it's a perfect fit for the inset panel, and I will use my Posh Chalk Deluxe Infuser to put it in place. All right, thanks for following.